Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to convert live photos to video on iPhone. So I'm going to opening my iPhone Photos app, and here as you can see I've captured some live photos, and now I want to convert them to videos, and here's how to do it easily. First of all, we have to install an app. So go to your app store and search for Toolbox, and this is the actual app we are going to use. So install this Toolbox app on your iPhone, and I'm scrolling down to show you the app size. This is a very lightweight app, only 82 megabyte. Okay, once the app installed, now go ahead and launch the Toolbox app on your iPhone, and now under photo section here you will find this live photo to MP4 converter. Just tap on that, and now select those live photos you want to convert to video. So you can select one, or if you want to convert multiple photos, then select multiple live photos and tap on next. And here we can see all of my live photos have been imported. Now just tap on start, and that's it. I've successfully converted my live photos to video. Now to save them, just tap on photo library, and now go to your Photos app, and here you will see those live photos have been successfully converted to video, as you can see. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.